Hi everybody, in this unit you're going to get the chance to build your very own soundboard app. Now what's a soundboard app? A soundboard app is an app that has a bunch of buttons on the screen, and when you tap on them they'll make a certain sound. Here's an example using Daft Punk.
Make it do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger.
And it's going to have a switch on it in case the people around you don't want to hear what you're doing to lower the volume. So here's what it would sound like.
Make it do it, makes us harder, better, faster, stronger.
And you're going to get the chance to use your own sounds and design what your screen is going to look like. So you can customize what the buttons look like, you can customize where they are on the screen. But to start things off, you've probably realized that it's kind of hard to get the screen to look exactly the way you want it in Thunkable. Here's an example. I've got two buttons on the screen and they're just dragged on, and if I try to move them to other places on the screen, they don't quite go there. And if I add more buttons on the screen, they just kind of stack up on top of each other. So to get the buttons and labels and anything on the screen exactly where you want it, you're going to need to use the row and the column components, all right? These components are actually fantastic because they get your screen to look exactly the way that you want it to look. Below this is a great video that's going to show you how the row and the column components work so that you can get things on the right spots. Then after that, there's a little challenge. That challenge is to get a button in each corner of the screen. So we have 4 buttons, one in each corner of the screen. Now this app won't have any functionality, but it'll give you some practice and it'll teach you how to put things exactly where you want them. I hope this goes well for you, and I'll put a hint down at the bottom to help you out just in case you get stuck. Good luck, and I'll see you at the next lesson.